Hi. In this video we will see subcontract in case of job work sales order number 25. In material outwards, click Create New Subcontract DC. Enter the date, select vendor. Select the customer sales order number. Here we will select sales order number 25. Please enter remarks if any. simpliRP will guide you to item entry. Select the sales order. Select the FG item in sales order. Then please enter the item code you want to send for subcontract. Once you select the item code, the available batch number will appear. Select the batch number of that sales order. Select the delivery due date by vendor. Here system will show the available stock. Enter the quantity you are sending out. Click Save. That's it. simpliRP will generate a delivery challan in a structured format. You can go to Sales Order Project Costing Report. You can see that DC is appearing there. You also check the stock. The stock is already reduced. simpliRP is the easiest way to manage your subcontracts. Thank you.